Are solar lights really reliable?
Solar servicing is the main part. Otherwise, the system will not run properly.
The servicing of the system is a very important one. We have very good service backup.
This Selco engineer goes from door to door to service solar lights. The UNEP project has strengthened after-sales service, and if lights work, bank loans will be repaid on time.
We having the confidence that customer will repay.
7 years on, these lights are still burning bright. Manjunayaka even maintains these lights himself. The pride of ownership motivates people to take care of their lights very well. 2000 bank branches like this one across Karnataka give loans to buy solar lights. Loans are easier to get now.
There is no guarantor. The documentation is very simple.
He could not have bought a solar light without bank loan. You will see more solar lights now. Bank loans are driving in more customers. No more government subsidies, independent power and a financial solution. 100% of the houses in his village run on solar light.
We made the people to come have the habit of coming to bank. When they come to the bank, they find that they can get other facilities as financial assistance. That we could get good business from them also.
As you move away from these small villages, and even where there are electric lines, there is no power. Here is a telephone booth which runs entirely on solar. As we travel to the larger towns, things are no different. Behind the bright lights of this large hotel is darkness, a world in the shadows. The rich can run diesel generators, but what about the poor? This is how the small shop does business at night, using candles and kerosene wick lamps. Kerosene lights are noisy, smelly, smoky and troublesome. Customers don't want to buy here, but definitely at this brightly lit solar light shop. An attractive roadside eatery. Here is a roadside market where almost all the hawkers use solar lights, and this is where all the crowds are. But what's the difference here? Sunil is the entrepreneur who hires out solar lights to these hawkers. He has taken a bank loan and invested in solar panels and batteries to set up a central charging station. He hires out 85 lights at 12 rupees a day to each of these hawkers. The hawker only buys the bulb. Hawker Gowda says that he has stopped using kerosene lamps, which were generating a lot of heat and smell, besides being expensive to maintain. Now, he gets more customers, spends less money and enjoys a nice clean white light.
More people has taken solar loan and through bank. They have sold more than 6,000 systems in the UNEP program.
Now we are able to get more business because of their almost all the banks have started financing the solar lighting system.
Nearly 352 houses we have given this solar lighting system. Now they are dealing with us. Even they have taken other dairy loans, education loans, other loans they have taken by this way. So they have a connection with the bank.
After providing our solar lights, they are used to get more business.
Products are very good and customers are very happy and customers are repaying the loans on time. So the banks also very happy and banks also lending more solar loans.
Thanks to the bank loans, over 18,000 houses and small businesses in India today have lights.
It's a very good program and people are very happy with the program. But we are happy, but we have done something good to the people. Now even our school, they are having 100% result.
Several other banks have started their loan programs, so there is a fierce competition in the market. People who need electricity to light their homes or their business premises can today buy it.
In April 2007, the Karnataka project wins the prestigious Energy Globe Award.
And the winner of the Globe Energy Award for Fire